Hi everyone, I am Ambika, soldier of Palankote Center Corps. Today I am going to talk about the story of how empower, engage and motivate the children, young people and adults during the COVID-19 days. This is an unprecedented time in the history of mankind. The COVID-19 pandemic is having a huge impact on all of us. Countries are shut down and peoples are required to maintain safe social distance. And there is nothing we are doing during the lockdown. Schools are closed indefinitely. The news about novel coronavirus can be scary and confusion for children. They may feel anxiety about the unknown. It can make children feel restless and fearful. Therefore, it is important for every parents to understand how to talk their children and how much information share with their children and young people during pandemic days. It is very important for us to approach this is an age appropriate way. Do not pass too much information as it may be stressful for your children. Tell them the facts. Help your child and young people be well informed through fact-based information. Avoid sharing imaginary stories with them. Encourage them to share their feels and fears about situation and tell them that it is okay. Your words can be reassuring and comforting. Empower your child, young people and adults with safety guidance and precautions such as use of a mask and washing hands for every 20 seconds before and after meals, after coughing and sneezing, and after using the washrooms, as well as maintaining a social distance. Parents can teach their children and young people to read Bible verses fully and teach them to pray God. Parents can help them plan their days in advance. Following a routine and schedule can be helpful. Playing board games as family, reading Bible verses, storybooks, and discussing topics other than coronavirus such as gardening, art and craft can be useful strategies to help the children and young people to keep them occupied. Parents may introduce some home-based activities like yoga, dancing and skipping etc. in the day which can keep their mood uplifted. Lastly, talk about some benefits of staying at home. The lockdown has created positive impact on the environment. We humans have got some time to rest and be free from our busy schedule. We can spend quality time with our family members and get to know each other more. Children have got rest from studies. Now they can engage with their other activities. We have realized health is wealth. We have learned to help each other. We have realized that the importance of money. Children and young people spend a lot of times to read Bible verses and spend more time to listen Bible messages. Most of the relatives and neighborhood friends who are affected by coronavirus were redeemed by God's power. Without God, we can't do anything. Word of God says, God is our refuge and strength, can ever present help in time of our trouble. I prayed to the Lord and He answered me. He freed me from all my fears. Thank you.